In this tutorial, I will show you how to assemble the printed sewing pattern. First, check the print settings. Make sure the print settings are set to actual size, or 100% scaling. Do not use options like Fit to Page, as this will shrink or stretch the pattern. You can verify the scale. Look for test measurements. Check the print alignment. After printing the first page, check if the print is centered on the paper. If the circular shapes and corners are missing or the print looks cut off, go to your printer settings and select borderless printing or adjust margins for better alignment. Here I have some pages that are not well printed. You can see that this one has margins that are not centered and pattern details are missing. The other page, even if you cannot see all lines, you can see the circles that allows to assemble the pattern. Once all the pages are printed, lay them out on a large flat surface like a table or floor. You can see their numeration in the upper part of the page. Now let's trim the right-hand side and the bottom edge of each page along the cutting lines. This will make it easier to overlap and match the pages accurately. Identify page order. The pages are labeled starting from A1, A2 for the first row, and following B1, B2, B3 for the second row, etc. I recommend to arrange the pages in rows and tape pages together. Make sure that you are matching those circles in the corner. As I mentioned, start by taping each row together horizontally. Once the rows are complete, tape them together vertically. If you notice a missing page in the grid, don't worry. Sometimes the layout is designed to leave certain pages blank because they are not needed. Simply continue aligning and taping the remaining pages. Once the full pattern is assembled, you will clearly see the pattern shapes. Use a pair of sharp scissors to carefully cut out each pattern piece along the outer edges. Optionally, you can trace the pattern onto heavier paper for better durability if needed. Now your pattern is ready to use. Happy sewing!